As you all know that getting tickets of reservation by going in stations is very hard task, and getting e-catering services there is also very hard. So today I'll show you how can you do all of these things online. At first go to Play Store, then here search for IRCTC and install it. When it has been installed, press open. Here it will take some permissions. Press allow and this alert will come. Press OK. As you can see, we have successfully installed the app. First press login here. Then from here press registered user. As you don't have an account, you have to give these details. So I am giving a phone number here. Here I am giving an email address. Here I am giving a username. As you can see, when it is available, it is showing you here. Here I have to give my password. And here I have to again confirm it. I have to give my first name and here I have to give my last name. Though it is optional, you can give it if you want to. And I have to give my date of birth. I am selecting this as a mark. After this, you have to give your gender here. And here you have to give a nationality. It has to be India. From here, you have to give your what you want. Anyone you can choose as your secret question. So I am giving one. From here you have to give your occupation, but I am not giving it, and also this message status. Both of these are optional. So we just have to press next. Here it is the residence address that you have to give here. I have given this. Here you have to give your country. Here you have to give your city. But at first you have to give your PIN code. It will automatically selected as you give the PIN code. It will show which one is your post office. So you have to select this which is near to you and you have to give this phone number here. And when I press next, as you can see, it will take a reCAPTCHA or for this to load. Here, if it cannot verify that if you are a human or not, it will take to this image verification. When it is done, press verify. Now, as I have successfully verified, you have to give your office address here. Here, give your country. Here, you have to give your PIN code. Here, it will already take West Bengal, and you have to give your city as Bardwan, and you have to give your post office here. As you can see, there are many of it. So you have to select one which is the nearest, as you did on your residential address. From here, you have to again give your phone number. And when I press register, it will show you ads. Just press close. And as you can see, we have successfully registered. So I pressed OK. Now here I will give my details of logging in my account. And here I have to give my password. And here I have to give the CAPTCHA. I have to now log in. It will take some time to verify you. And here the number you have registered and the OTP will be sent to you. So I'll enter the both of the OTPs. Now you have to press verify after giving these two OTPs. As you can see, when you verified, it will give you this message. Press OK and again you have to log in. Just give your password here. And here you have to give your captcha. And it will take some again time to verify your user. And here is the part where you have to give your PIN. Suppose, consider an example. You are using your phone and this account is only on a single phone. So for that single phone is this PIN. When you change your phone, you have to generate another PIN. So I am giving a PIN here and I am submitting it. It is saying to remember to keep the PIN in safe place. Press OK. And yes, that's it. That is how you can create accounts. As simple as that. So, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and like this video.